Yeah, boss, him down there, you know.
Here what more you do. Go down there. Talk to him. Find out if him know that little girl is there. Or if him hear from her. Any at all.
Alright, boss. Consider it done.
Alright.
You told me that about 10 times already, you know, Mom.
Listen to me, Tiffany. I'm telling you, take the chip out of the old phone and please may I ask you, the new phone that I give to you, don't make any calls from it.
Yes, Mother.
Miss, I don't want to hear any attitude or sarcasm coming from your voice because you are the one who put yourself in this mess and make me catch hell.
I'm suffocating in here, Mom.
And that is your punishment for what you did. So listen to me.
I'll call you tomorrow and please your please.
Stay put.
I can't stay in this place. Nope, I need to go out.
Come here. Wait! Mr. Hey, wait! General Wagwan, Mr. Water Commission is live. Tonian. See General here. Dragon. General. Yeah, a long time you don't know from what you put in the work. Yeah. But you just like dancer, so what going you know nothing you put?
Yeah, you know, so I put it on still.
No man, how can I put on? No man. Brother, once a dancer, always a dancer. You can share two moves now, my general. Alright, watch a style. Forward. Yeah, this are really wrong. A challenge here. See first part I'm done. Bam, shake off. Ready? Bam, shake off. Rifle.
I mean, sir. Give it a try.
20 on. Yeah, see the repeat yeah.
And what? Fine. Is it? And
Yeah, hear me I say. We could try it now, because you have big dancer, you know. Yeah.
Sir, it look like dancing enough for you.
And that is it? Run it again.
Alright. General, right away. Tonian, in bad though. Hear me I say, make it sure we enter the competition and bust the money.
So much may I get out of that? Alright, here we are. We say if we win the competition, me I take 10 and only share the next 10.
That can work?
Brother, we don't do the social media thing, isn't it? We can match up that still. But me and if you have a talk, you did make the payment?
Yeah, mom, start the process, man.
Yeah, that a start. But you know you have to finish, match it up before them circle again.
Yeah, man, as soon as I get the next piece of food, I just finish up, though.
Alright, that's it, I can help you. But we need food already.
Alright, me turn around.
Make sure you delete that video.